In this video, I'll show you how to create organization-wide email footers in Salesforce so every outgoing message carries consistent branding, contact details, and any required compliance text automatically. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right and opening Setup or Advanced Setup to enter the administrative area where communication settings live. Use the quick find search box on the left, type email footers, and open the page that lists any existing footers so you can review or compare versions. Click New, give the footer a clear internal name, then enter the footer content with professional language such as company sign-off, website links, or legal notices while avoiding sensitive personal data. Choose an appropriate email encoding like UTF-8 to prevent character display issues, especially if you use special symbols or multiple languages. After reviewing the text and formatting, save the footer and it becomes available for consistent use across your organization's emails. Subscribe for clear beginner tech tutorials and honest walkthrough videos every week.